This is Spiky Harold, requested by Jimmy Tarbuck a couple of weeks ago. I'm lying. This is Jimmy Tarbuck would watch my videos. Who is Jimmy Tarbuck, you say? You should know that. He plays golf. He's a Liverpudlian comedian. He gave birth to a daughter. He didn't actually give birth, but his daughter is Lisa Tarbuck, another semi-comedian. She's partially funny. Not much, but then again, is he? I pressed the wrong button. Jump. Is this correct? Yes. So let's go. Here I am. I'm a little hedgehog. I've got an apple. I've got a fucking apple. I've died. I've died again. This is good progress. Oh, a text message. I'll read that whilst this shit's going on. Yeah, well, if you do get a dodgy tax driver and I never see it again, that'd be a shame, but you know, these things happen. Oh! Mistimed the jump. This is tricky. Oh, he's dead. Oh, and again. Oh, it's addictive. More addictive than crack cocaine. I tell you, dying in this game. Ouch! Fuck off and leave me alone, you shit. Right, so let's do it. How do I get past this cunt? Who'd have thought these flies would be so tricky? Get away! I've got past it. We're good to go now. Probably complete the game. What's down there? So, time 1 minute's past. Oh, I've got some drink. Oh, my controls are backwards. Now they're forwards. This looks like another inspiring Spectrum game. Some grapes. I ate the grapes. Ate the grapes? I ate the grapes, I should say. Oh, smackaroni! Oh, he's dead again! Watch that bat! Watch that bat! Oh, smackaroni! He's got me. All sorts of bastards are. Oh, I got hit again. All sorts of bastards are after in this game. No, smack into that little bastard. No, leave me alone. They're all after me. Oh, this is tricky. Oh! The music inspires you to die. Game over, my son. What a game. What is this game? I can't remember the name of it. It's Spiky Harold. It's a load of shit. 3 out of 10. What rubbish. Who bought this game? Who made it, more to the point? Why did you make it? What were you thinking of? That's what I want to know. 3 out of 10. Reload.